also today I'm going to be doing an Ulta Beauty haul. And also later in this video I'm going to try out the new makeup and give you reviews. So I'm so excited. Why? Well, one of the reasons, big reasons why I went today. I've been wanting this for a while. Morphe and Jeffree Star Artistry palette. I'm so excited. I really love Jeffree Star. He's just such a legend. And I'm so excited for the new documentary. Well, the second documentary with Shane Dawson. I saw the first episode. I loved it. And totally gonna, if they have a palette together, Shane Dawson or anything, I'm gonna buy that. Now this one, unlike James Charles' palette, I don't even use that often, but this one, kind of like him more, but... No, bye kitty! Aww. Oh, it's so gorgeous. It has a mirror. These are perfect. Welcome back to my channel, wind noises. I would swatch, but I don't want to get all messy now, but I'll swatch later. But look how gorgeous this is. I'm so excited to play with these. And then I also got this little nail polish, $6 in the clearance section. It's like a skinny one, so I can do designs with. Oh, fuck. Probably should have looked at that before I bought it. It's a bitch. No wonder why it was on clearance. Maybe I'll fix it. Yeah. I'm gonna return this. It's all chunky. The reasons why I went was I need new foundation, full coverage, because the ones I've had, like, I need to cover up my redness. I'm gonna start wearing makeup more because I hate my acne, and it's what I like to do. So I saw this everywhere. Tati is a big fan of Estee Lauder. Mom, how do you say the Estee? The foundation name?
What foundation?
Estee Lauder.
Estee Lauder.
Estee Lauder foundation. Double wear, stay in place foundation. And I got the shade Shell. And I tried on the Too Faced one, but I couldn't really find my shade. Look how gorgeous this is. And I saw that they had a pump. And I wanted a pump because I already know from past experience from the Maybelline Fit Me one, pouring on my beauty blender goes everywhere, and I'm gonna stop that from happening. So I got a little pump. That's the foundation. And the pump was $10, but I think we got it free because I had a lot of points. Sam, go away!
Don't cut this out.
And also, I saw this online on the app. They have this big sale, and I really love skincare, and I do anything to clear my skin. It's just really fun self-care. This is the Thayer's facial toner witch hazel cucumber, and this was like $8, originally $10, but I'm excited to use this. I've never tried a toner before, but yeah. Anywho, I'll see you later when I try on the makeup. Peace out, buttercups. Hey guys, so I'm gonna use the foundation today. Excuse how bad I look. Yeah. So first I'm gonna put my moisturizer. I use the toner with me. I really liked it. The smell, I'm definitely gonna have to get used to it. just do the makeup. I don't want to look like shit. Oh, dang them. Put some of the baby skin pore eraser. Because my pores are big. Ooh. It's definitely full coverage. I hope it's not too light for my skin. Bronze. Because the foundation I'm used to, like the Amazon clay, it's kind of clayish, you know, not like liquid. Even if this doesn't turn out to be my shade, I think I can tone it. Okay, this is the final look. Bye! Here's a picture an hour later. Hey guys, so it's later in the day and I really like the foundation. Well, obviously it's been like, I don't know, 8 hours. And of course it's gonna come off a little bit. I'm very oily. I think I need to use a better primer. I do like the foundation. Peace out. Oh, this is my second time wearing the foundation and I really like it. Hey guys, so the other day I got my Ipsy box for October and I'm gonna open it. This is like a haul. It says discover yourself, Ipsy. Oh my god, this is the cutest package ever. Love the color. Ooh. Panda eye brightening mask. Hydrate smooth. I've always wanted to try eye brightening stuff. Ooh, this is so cute. Ah! That is adorable. I forget her name, but don't forget the choice is yours. Ooh, yay! Nice. I need an eyeshadow brush. Crown brush in CB202. Pro to Self Fluff and Precision Crease Brush. Yay. So cute. Oh, it's Friday. I'm so excited. It's a 3-day weekend. This week has been rough. Perfect. Next. More nail polish. Pretty Woman nail polish. This is so cute. Packaging. Oh, I love that color. That's my favorite color. It's called... Oh, this is nail polish. Oh. Oh, here at the top. Don't be jelly. So cute. Perfect fall color. I'm gonna definitely use that after these nails. Just got regular, like last weekend. It was a bad experience. This is Belief True Cream. Let's see, what kind of lotion is it? Aqua Bomb. Oil-free gel cream helps boost your skin's moisture level levels up 70%. So it says here that you leave it on to use as a mask, apply all over, wait 10 minutes, wipe it off. Okay. Oh, this is her name, Betty Pop. Betty Boop. Wow, I'm blind. There's this. I think this is the lipstick with. Oh, it's mascara. Betty Bop and Ipsy Blink and Wink mascara. Now that's cute. I love good mascara. Oh, that smells weird. It looks like any ordinary mascara. Excited to use these products for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I'm going to do a separate video all on the Jeffree Star Morphe palette. So stay tuned. Bye.